I'm cooking some black eyed beans. This is 16 ounce black eyed beans, so just one packet, and it has been soaking in warm water for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put it in an instant pot to cook it soft and season it into a yummy sauce. So let's make the sauce for the beans. I'm using all these cups so I measure. So this is 1/4. This is half. Just want to cover the base. We'll add more if needed. That's just vegetable oil. That I'll warm up a little bit for like another minute or so. Some water already dropped in the oil, so specs. I'm gonna add just a whole red onion. Added another 1/4 cup of oil. Add 2 teaspoons because I did not boil the beans with salt. Two tablespoons of black pepper. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Add some tomatoes, minced tomatoes. Just realized I don't have any tomato paste, so these minced tomatoes will have to do. It's so strange. I already always have some at home. Add some Maggi. You can season it with your favorite seasoning. Have some ham. I'm gonna add the ham. Put a little bit more. Defrosting it because it was frozen. A total of 6 cups. An onion, some bay leaves, gonna put any salt. That time my grandma said you don't boil beans with salt, so I'm gonna try that. I remember. I've never cooked it in a pot yet. It's that pot yet, so first that 6 minutes on high pressure cook and see how soft it is. Okay, here's the beans after the 6 minutes boil. I think it's soft enough. Let's add the beans in there. The beans was boiled with onions and some bay leaf. So it's fully cooked. Just need some mix it in. Oh, ready to boil. Spicy. Just thickens that sauce with the beans. Teaspoon. Salt. Drizzle. Just a teeny bit of the water. Oops. Add beans up some oil. Tempted to add more salt, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. There's some bean sauce, cooked with ham, spicy, perfect.